You just ride. I'm going to push you. Remember, we're going to go in circles, and then we're going to go over the bridge together, okay?
Okay.
Go.
Wait, right there. What? I wasn't looking.
You weren't looking?
Well,
what happened?
I don't know.
Okay, you ready? I'm going to push you. Brakes when you go down the hill, okay? You want to go
that way?
You want to go that? Are you sure? Because that's back the way we came almost. Maybe we want to go that way a little bit.
I think I agreed.
Okay, good. Well, use your bike straighten out that way, and then I'll give you a push.
Oh man, I almost had it.
You did. It's okay. It's okay. I got you.
Ow, my legs. But don't worry, that's gonna happen to you until you get a little tired, so you can reach.
Yeah.
That's gonna happen to you.
That's true. All right, let's wait for these guys to go. Okay. I'll give you another push, okay?
Okay.
All right, you ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Hang on.
I'm doing okay, Dad. Coming up is a swamp dead end. Those swamp dead ends
All right.